Dji Avata. First-person view drones have really taken off recently, allowing you to put on a headset and fly a drone from a first-person view. These unique devices are the closest you can feel to flying like a bird. DJI has released its latest version of this technology known as the Dji Avata. It is made to be more durable and ready for any unfortunate crashes. You can pilot it via a controller or a joystick which mimics the movements of your hand. It also comes with plenty of clever features like the ability to use custom routes, follow a person or vehicle, and return to the starting point if it goes too far away. Meta Quest Pro. Ah yes, the metaverse, the supposed future of our digital world. While this new virtual land hasn't exactly begun successfully, many tech leaders are still very much of the view that we'll soon be plugged in, enjoying our own digital house, job, and life. If you want to get in now and enjoy the metaverse and virtual reality, the Meta Quest Pro 2 will likely be the best way to do this. Meta, previously known as Facebook, has poured money into this to offer the latest and most impressive specs available in the world of VR. With all of its fancy new features and functions, comes a massive price tag of $1,499. It's the best VR can be right now, but the investment is only worthwhile for those who can't wait for the metaverse. Petoi Bittle, a palm-sized STEM robot. The Petoi Bittle robot is a palm-sized robot dog developed for fun, but also serves as a STEM gadget. It is manufactured by Petoi, a startup company whose main goal is to produce simple, innovative pets. The Bittle robot dog walks, plays tricks, and rolls around just like a real dog. It has been designed to maneuver on all kinds of terrains. You can teach it new skills and make it memorize various patterns. Additionally, Bittle can be used for STEM education. It is an ideal gadget for teaching and researching STEM projects. It also makes a good present to surprise a family member or a dear friend. However, the robot dog is not a toy for small children. Parental guidance is recommended when kids are playing with it to avoid injury or damage. The Couch Consolle, the self-balancing cup holder. Do you usually struggle to find a place to put all your knickknacks? If yes, you should invest in the Couch Consolle. It incorporates everything you need, including holders for your cups, snacks, phone, and so much more. eBite Inc. used the gyroscope system to solve an issue many of us have: how to keep your cup in a vertical position. It is especially hard when you do not have a flat surface. The Couch Consolle's cup holder will not spill your drink due to the self-balancing technology. You can also lock your cup into place for that added stability. Oyo Nova, a portable personal gym weight loss, fitness, or maintaining shape is your goal while staying at home. Well, today I have an interesting gadget for you. Meet Oyo Nova, a personal and portable gym that you can carry anywhere. If I were to talk about Oyo Fitness Company, they have a range of fantastic fitness product which works magic. Most of their equipment is portable and created in a heavy-duty high resistance to provide one total body strength, be it at the home, office, or even on a vacation or business trip. Oyo Nova is perfect for working guys who find little to no time to hit the gym. It's small in size and highly portable. It fits perfectly in a backpack. To make things even better, Nova Personal Gym uses Spiral Flex technology, which provides you with a 40 lbs equivalent of resistance. Clicbot Educational Robot Keyaz. Clicbot Robot is programmable, and it supports Python coding language. It comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 2 hours of use. It can be controlled via a mobile app. Clicbot is a family robot, and it suits teenage kids very well. Touch sensing, face recognition, gesture detection, gameplay, etc. Move on the ground and can play games. Recognize and interact with people when being approached. Metafly. Metafly is crash-proof and is perfectly safe to use indoors. With its dedicated handheld remote controller, you can easily maneuver it inside your house, if not your room. With so many useful features, Metafly seems a perfect gadget for gifting your kids. They will surely love it. As per the manufacturer, this drone-like creature is a biomimetic controllable creature that can fly in the sky for around 8 minutes on a single charge. The range is about 100 meters, which isn't too much. Since this gadget is being used as a toy, that should be fine. The drone is very similar to a dragonfly, both in terms of look and functionality. Anycubic Kobr 3D printer. All in all, the Anycubic Kobr is a perfect entry-level desktop 3D printer. Its intuitive, easy-to-use hardware and user interface make it an excellent choice for beginners looking to make their first foray into 3D printing. Anycubic Kobr is an all-in-one frame 3D printer. The incredible feature of this printer is that it can minimize shaking to improve print quality. Anti-gravity humidifier. This advanced technology counteracts gravity. Combined with a delicate mist of water, not only refreshes the air, but also alleviates stress, aiding in mood restoration and adding excitement to everyday life. The bedroom humidifier offers an 8-hour timer with automatic shutdown protection, ensuring long-lasting and convenient use. This reliable and durable humidifier is a cool smart home device that efficiently disperses the desired soothing and refreshing mist throughout your entire room. With a single button, you can activate the gentle light mode that illuminates softly, while simultaneously enjoying the sight of water droplets streaming back during the humidification process, promoting a soothing and calming effect on your mood. Eilik. Eilik is an intelligent desktop companion robot with human emotions, happy, sad, angry, and crying. Each emotion has a wide range of expressions to brighten your mood. However, this interactive little robot is the best companion as it changes your perspective and will provide you with all information you want. This little robot is full of surprises and is one of the best desk gadgets. Tech gadgets and advanced robots are the most innovative idea for getting all information. It comes with a higher level of human interactions. Eilik's head, belly, and bottom are integrated with the touch sensors. When you touch its head and stomach, his happy response comes to brighten up your day. On the other hand, when you tickle his belly, he laughs out loud. Likewise, he feels shy when you rub his bottom. Fidget. Say goodbye to anxiety and stress. Infini is the desk toy who loves to fidget. It comes with remarkable features which make it best to reduce the stress and improve the concentration skills. However, this desk toy helps you when you are confused about making any decision. The best thing about this product is that it is straightforward to use. You need to click, swipe, press, roll fiction, and knock. This is considered to be the best gift gadget. It will help to turn your anxiety into focus.
This was our top 11 cool technology inventions that are shaping our future. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.